Hey everyone, welcome back. Have you ever wondered how your favorite movies get that rich, polished look? It's all about color grading. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to give your videos that cinematic, professional touch using one simple tool in CapCut, the color match feature. Whether you're filming on your phone or editing clips for Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok, this simple trick can totally transform the look and feel of your footage in a matter of seconds. No expensive software or complicated techniques are needed, just cinematic vibes with a few taps. Ready to turn your ordinary clips into extraordinary cinema? Just grab your phone, open up CapCut, and let's get started.